Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting AI agent in the Delaverse playground, the Customer Lifetime Value Prediction System. Imagine being able to forecast how much value your customers will bring over time. It's like having a crystal ball for your business growth. This powerful AI agent pulls in your customer data, crunches it with smart AI, and spits out predictions that help you make smarter decisions. Whether you're running a SaaS company, luxury online store, insurance firm, or just leading a marketing team, it saves you time and boosts your strategies by focusing on high-value customers and preventing churn. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to playground.delaverse.ai and log into your Delaverse account. In the project's dashboard, hit Create New Project. Name it something like Customer Lifetime Value Prediction, and let's build it step by step. No coding needed. Just drag, drop, and connect. Let's break down the key pieces that make this AI agent magic. First up, data retrieval. Choose how to grab your customer info. If you're keeping it simple, use a Google Sheet. Just add the node, connect your Google account, and point it to your sheet with customer details like purchase history or subscription status. For real-time vibes, hook up an API from your database to fetch fresh data automatically. Next, the heart of it all, the AI assistant. This smart node analyzes everything and predicts lifetime values, segments customers, and even flags churn risks. Pick a top AI model, give it a nudge with simple instructions like predict future value based on this data, and watch it generate insights. Then, turn those insights into shareable gold with a Google Docs node. It creates polished reports with forecasts and ticks, perfect for team meetings or stakeholder updates. Don't forget notifications. Add a Telegram bot to ping your team instantly when a high-value customer alert tops up or a prediction rolls in. Finally, automate it all with a scheduler or trigger. Set it to run daily or on events, so it's always working in the background. The analytics here are game-changing. You'll get detailed predictions with confidence levels, customer segments like loyal VIPs or at risk, and metrics on revenue forecasts. Track things like churn risk scores to see potential losses and spot opportunities early. It's all about turning numbers into actionable stories. The real payoff? For businesses, this means optimized marketing budgets, better retention, and targeted campaigns that maximize ROI. In SaaS, predict subscriptions to grow smarter. In e-commerce, focus on big spenders to justify those acquisition costs. It's like earning business credits through efficiency and loyalty boosts. Want to level up? Customize the AI instructions for your industry. Say, factor in insurance risks or e-com trends. Test each part solo before connecting and document your setup for your team. If APIs feel tricky, start with Sheets and scale up. Pro tip: use the response schema for APIs to keep data neat and predictions spot on. There you have it. A Delaverse agent that empowers you to predict, plan, and profit from customer relationships like never before. It's all about clarity in your data, transparency in decisions, and that empowering feeling of being ahead of the curve. Jump in, build your own, and watch your business thrive with Delaverse.